How to get money from TimeBucks.com. Hello guys, this is Amir Hossein and welcome to an online income generation YouTube channel. I want to teach you how you can get money from TimeBucks. TimeBucks is a platform that you can do different tasks and get money from the website, changing the word and task at a time. This is the slogan of TimeBucks. Get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete microtasks and answer surveys. At this platform, as you can see, you can have daily bonuses, start earning instantly, referral program, weekly payouts, and friendly support staff. Okay, let's look together how it can be work. First of all, you need to sign up here. Okay, a confirmation link has been sent to your Gmail. You need to confirm it. This is the platform, this is the dashboard, agreement. Before you can use TimeBucks, you must first agree to our terms and service and privacy policy. Okay, I verified my Gmail now. I agree to the terms and policies. This is my referral link. With my referral link, I will get bonuses. I will get money if I do the tasks. These are the surveys here and the times is needed. For example, this is a 6-minute survey. Click here to view surveys. TimeBucks quality testing surveys, 6 minutes long and $0.1 rate. Start. What is your birthday? For example, this. Okay. You answered 19 correct out of 40. This means that your score was 63%, so you failed. Okay, you need to read and exactly answer the questions, because if you answered the questions by chance, this is not acceptable for the website. So I failed at this survey. Okay, these are the recent tasks that users have been done from different countries. Click here to complete your profile. You need to have your birthday, your country, and etc. Payment method. The payment methods are different. You need to verify your ID here. You can chat with the other users. Your earnings are here. And this is the dashboard here. This is the ladder. The top 100 users who earn the most each day win a bonus. These are their earnings here. This is the referral ladder section here. And recent completion. Okay, in the earn section, if you want to do some things to get paid, you need to go to earn section. These are the tasks. You must complete your profile to access this tab. Okay, now I can earn from the website. The tasks are here, task details. For example, Opera GX browser install and open. I need to just install and open the browser and get $1.6. I need to sign up for free to get $1.4. Very fantastic. You must have at least $5 in your advertising wallet to create a task campaign. Go to the funds page and add more funds, then come back to this page. Okay, in the task sections, you need to do some things to get money. For example, you can complete a survey, or you can install a game, or download something, or sign up in somewhere, or follow this travel destinations Telegram channel, or something else. For example, I want to join the TimeBucks gift Telegram channel. Okay, I became a member here. I need to take a screenshot and browse the screenshots here. This is proof of completion. Submit for approval. And I got the money here. This is in my wallet. Okay guys, I proved it that you can earn money from TimeBucks. You need to have more money to transform it to your wallet. If you use your referral link, you can accelerate your process to get more money. Don't forget to subscribe Online Income Generation YouTube channel. Every week I teach you the ways for online income. If you had any experiences to work with this platform, please comment below and don't forget to like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's do the another tasks. Bye bye till the next week.